The Qualcomm-powered Lenovo Yoga C630, starting at $859, combines the productivity of a laptop with useful smartphone features, including LTE connectivity and always-on access. But those conveniences come at the expense of performance, which is well short of what equivalent Intel-powered laptops offer. The 13.3-inch Yoga C630 does a lot of things right to justify its steep price. The Ultrabook has a sleek, aluminum chassis, and this machine's outstandingly long-lived battery can last well into a second day of use. While the Yoga C630 may be too expensive to be a secondary device, this laptop is a good option for frequent travelers or anyone who wants a premium machine for everyday use. Lenovo Yoga C630 price and configuration options. Lenovo currently offers the Yoga C630 in 3 configurations. For $859, the base model we reviewed comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 CPU, 4 GB of RAM and a 128GB SSD. Doubling the laptop's memory to 8 GB increases the price to $939. From there, you can double the storage to 256 GB by going with the $999 top-of-the-line model. Specs: CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 operating system, Windows 10 SRAM, 8 GB hard drive size, 128 GB hard drive type, UFS 2.1 display size, 13.3 highest available resolution 1920x1080 native resolution 1920x1080 graphics card, Adreno 630 Wi-Fi 802.11 AC Bluetooth 4.2 mobile broadband, Qualcomm Snapdragon X20 LTE touchpad size 4.0 x 2.7 inches, ports, excluding USB, USB Type-C ports, excluding USB, combo headphone/mic jack. The sleek notebook adopts the same simple yet elegant design language we've seen on other consumer-based Lenovo laptops, like the IdeaPad 530s and Yoga C930. The Yoga C630's chassis sports a black Yoga logo embossed in the corner of the stylish iron gray lid. Speaking of which, the flexible hinges rotate 360 degrees, transforming the Yoga C630 from a laptop into a tablet. You can also orient the Yoga C630 into tent mode for viewing content or fold the screen flat for giving presentations to others. I found that the hinges don't require much pressure to rotate, yet they are sturdy in laptop mode. Lenovo has done an impressive job reducing the size of its laptop's bezels without compromising webcam placement. While the Yoga C630 flaunts that engrossing design element, the notebook's bottom frame is still rather chunky. The Yoga C630's refined design and industrial slate color scheme give it a premium look and feel, but what I really can't get over is the device's tiny footprint. The trailer for the upcoming Hellboy film, The Half-Demon's Body, was a rich, blood-red color, and a brief scene of a burning city singed my eyes with a vivid orange glow. The 1080p panel was so crisp that I could see every scar on Hellboy's face and all of the marks on his powerful right hand of doom. The display on our Yoga C630 review unit exhibited a yellow tint when I viewed YouTube videos and visited my favorite web pages. I went ahead and tinkered with Windows 10's calibration software, which improved the display's white balance considerably. The Yoga C630's screen reproduced 120% of the sRGB color gamut, just about matching the Envy X2's result, 121%, and the premium laptop average, 117%. The stunning OLED panel on the Galaxy Book 2 is significantly more colorful, at 200%, than the Yoga's screen, while the Spin 3's lags far behind, 69%. I wish the display on the Yoga C630 were brighter for better visibility outdoors. The 267 nits of peak brightness we measured on the Yoga C630 falls behind the Envy X2's showing, 486 nits, the Galaxy Book 2's result, 350 nits, and the premium laptop average, 318 nits. The Spin 3's panel, 237 nits, is even dimmer. I had no problems using the Yoga's touchscreen display in tablet mode to navigate the web and draw a picture in 3D Paint. Audio: the top-firing speakers on the deck of the Yoga C630 produce dull, congested audio. When I listened to Devon Gilfillian's Here and Now, the groovy soul song sounded lifeless. While the speakers were able to fill a medium-sized room, their high-pitched treble tones pierced my ears, forcing me to turn the volume down to about 50%. The Yoga C630 didn't do much better with Flora Cash's You're Somebody Else, which sounded like it was coming through a tin can. Benchmark tests illustrate a stark gap in performance between the latest Snapdragon chip and Intel's Core processors. The Yoga C630, equipped with 8 GB of RAM, scored 3,221 on the Geekbench 4 overall performance test, which tops the result from the Envy X2, Snapdragon 835, scoring 2,989, and comes close to the Galaxy Book 2's showing, Snapdragon 850, scoring 3,545. However, the Yoga gets crushed by the Intel Core i5 wielding Spin 3, 12,172, and the average premium laptop, 12,149. Bottom line, Yoga C630 makes for an awesome travel companion. The 13.3-inch device has an extremely portable and lightweight chassis that can easily fit inside of a backpack, and the laptop's outstanding battery life will get you through even the longest transcontinental flights. Better yet, LTE connectivity means you don't need to be tethered to a Wi-Fi connection to browse the internet. Unfortunately, even Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon processor provides sluggish performance compared to other Intel-equipped premium laptops. Therefore, power users will need another primary device to deal with demanding workloads. Alternatively, compact yet capable Intel-powered ultrabooks like Lenovo's own Yoga C930 and the Microsoft Surface Pro 6 give you the best of both worlds but lack some useful mobile features. That being said, the Yoga C630 is a good option if you need something to slip into your bag and use on the go.